In a primetime news follow-up, a vigil is now underway at the Meadowbrook High School in St. Andrew in memory of the 17-year-old teen who was shot and killed in Zimbabwe Trenchtown last week. Nicole Moulton graduated just a few weeks before she met her demise. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm is at the vigil and we now join her live. Andrea, good evening.
Have their candles well lit. Thank you very much, Janella. Well, scores of persons have gathered here at Meadowbrook High to pay their respects to Nicole Moulton. As you can see in the background, a number of persons have their candles well lit, and they are just trying to comfort each other, trying to console each other while sharing fond memories of Nicole Moulton. Now, I'm joined by three of her friends. Come this way for me, please. We have Deandra, we have Cheyenne, and Clarissa. First of all, starting with you, Clarissa, what type of person was Nicole? How would you describe her?
Nicole was very supportive, very jovial, loving, kind, compassionate. There's nothing bad that can be said about Nicole Moulton, and she was one of my true best friends.
What will you remember most about her, Cheyenne?
How she was always happy, no matter how sad she was or how down she felt, she was always smiling.
What about you, Deandra? Some of the fond memories you have of Nicole. Come this way for me, please. Go ahead.
Most of our moments we were just in class having fun, trying to have fun because, we did all the sciences and they were really hard, but she always found a way to keep everybody happy and, yes, guys, you're going to pass these subjects and all of those stuff. So there's really nothing bad to say. All my memories of her were just happy moments.
You were sharing something with me earlier about food. What is it that she enjoyed?
Mostly banana chips. She always wanted banana chips, always, and candy. That's if Nicole, if she's sad, which is rare, just give her some banana chips. She's like, oh, this is how I know you're my sister. You get banana chips. So yeah.
How have you been coping, Cheyenne?
Honestly, it's really hard to cope knowing that a true beautiful soul like Nicole is gone, and in the way that she passed. It's just really sad. I don't know how I'm coping right now. I'm just smiling.
Thank you guys so much for speaking with me, and my condolences to you all. I now have DSP Jacqueline Henry. Could you join me, please? She's from the Kingston West Police Division. You will recall that earlier the police commissioner, come this way, Ms. Henry, he had vowed to track down the killers who were responsible for the killing of Nicole Moulton. DSP Henry, thank you so much for joining us. How have the investigations been going so far?
Okay, well, the investigation is in its infancy at this stage. I'd like to use this opportunity to appeal to those who do know, or those who do have information to share with us. But as it is now, it's in its infancy.
What have the police been doing to carry out that mandate of serving, protecting, and reassuring?
Okay, we have a constant presence in the area, and with our regular patrols, the Community Safety and Security Branch, of which I am in charge of, we will be having a widely publicized meeting. We'll be bringing in our partners, Victim Support Division, to engage the community. Also, a regular feature that we have is our weekly walkthroughs. We will be continuing with those initiatives.
Any leads so far?
The leads that have been coming in are very tenuous, and we are pursuing as we get, but they are coming in very, very slowly.
We recall that a number of persons were on television speaking out about what was happening. How is the community been assisting the police? I know earlier you made an appeal.
We have not been getting anyone to commit to a statement. We have not been getting the information as we would like to get. That would assist us in pursuing those who are responsible. Nonetheless, we are still engaging the community, and I am again appealing to the community to tell us what they know.
Thank you very much, DSP Jacqueline Henry from the Kingston West Police Division. And that's the latest here from the Vigil here at the Meadowbrook High School in St. Andrew, where persons are paying respects to Nicole Moulton. It's back to you in studio.